Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to delete your Reddit account permanently. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to your Reddit application. You can also visit your Reddit account online. On doing so, you'll be able to see an interface such as this. Now go ahead and tap on the profile icon on your application that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon, which is the Reddit settings, and tap on account settings for your username. On doing so, if you scroll down, you should be able to see the option of delete account. Go ahead and tap on it. If you're sure that you want to delete your account, go ahead and tap on yes, delete, and you'll be required to verify your password. So go ahead and enter your Reddit account password and tap on done. On doing so, you should be able to see this pop-up that reads account deleted. Go ahead and tap on OK, and this is how you can permanently delete your Reddit account. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.